welcome back to my channel where the makeup and sass keeps you coming back for more. It's Gillyy here, and today's video is going to be a fun one. I'm going to show you guys how I get the face portion of this look here that I think came out way better than expected. I haven't really worn like full glam, guys, in a really long time. School's been kicking my butt, and I barely have time for eyebrows, but I think that today's look came out really well. I'm only sad that you can't see my eyelashes well, but it's fine. I am wearing lashes. They're just a little hidden. But yeah, this is really great. And also the star of today's video was this Gucci gloss, which you guys can tell is poppin'. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this flawless beat, if I do say so myself, then keep watching. But before all of that happens, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. We're in quarantine, guys, you know, go ahead, hit that subscribe, nothing else to do. As well as like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know how you guys are doing with quarantine, how you're staying sane, because I'm definitely not. I'm going crazy. And yeah, let's jump right into today's tutorial. Okay guys, so as I mentioned in the intro, this video is only going to be the face. I did my eyes, that's in another video. If you're interested in how I got this look, it was really simple, super easy, and I literally just used this Huda Beauty palette to achieve the whole thing. But you can go ahead and click over there somewhere up here, and you can watch that before you watch this one. I think the face is my favorite part to do because I just think it brings everything together. So we're gonna go ahead and do my favorite thing, and we're gonna prime. I'm gonna be using this Rimmel London Stay Matte Mattifying Primer. I do think that this is a pretty good like drugstore primer that's mattifying. It's hard to describe it. I feel like it's a mixture of the Hourglass Veil Primer and the Becca Ever Matte Primer. If they decided to have a baby, this primer would kind of be it to me. Although I don't think it works as best as the two of them combined, but it's a pretty good alternative if you're in the market for a new primer. Next, we're just gonna set that with a little bit of loose powder, and I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Peach Perfect loose powder with my Colored Rain sponge. I have raved about this sponge before, so again, if you don't own this, like, you hate yourself, honestly. This is a great sponge. For foundation today, I'm going to be using this Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation, and I wear the shade 134 Dark. I haven't used this foundation in a while actually, so this should be exciting. I hope it's still my shade, because the last time I used this was this summer, and it's currently winter, and I'm just not the same chocolate goodness that I was back then, you know? But either way, we'll make it work. Yeah, that's definitely a little too red, but like I said, we'll make this work. I like using a brush for my foundation only because I think I use less product and I get maximum amount of coverage. Needless to say, some foundations do work better with a sponge, but I haven't really met many that I couldn't make work with a brush. And if there are any streaks or lines that I want to get rid of, I literally just take my sponge when I'm done and like pounce it all over my face and get rid of any like harsh lines or anything that could have been created. But you can avoid that by just using a really good foundation brush, which this one is. And I don't think this one's on the market anymore. This one's from Tarte, and I got this like years ago, but it's such a good brush. I have always kept it around, even after Tarte played games with me. I still love their brushes a lot. Just need like half a pump for my forehead, barely, or like a drop. So for concealer, that's not a bad match. It looks pretty good. For concealer, I'm gonna be going in with ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this is in the shade Dark 46. I can't remember if this is one of the newer shades or the old shade name, But either way, I have so many of these I can't figure out which is which anymore, but this is my favorite shade in this one. I think they renamed it to something else, but that's neither here nor there. Now we're gonna blend with our good sponge here. And I always like to let my under eyes sit a little longer than the rest of my highlighted areas, but just look at how nice of a highlight. That just gives my chin already. So I'm gonna go ahead and just set that with that same Too Faced powder. So now I'm just gonna take a really huge fluffy brush and dust all of this powder away. And that little bit of powder that I just put underneath here already gave me kind of like a contour, even though I haven't even contoured. So that's another little trick that you can use to make your contour pop even more, or avoid as much contour if you know you're not that good at it. For my bronzer contour, I'm going to be using this palette from the Patricia Bright and Makeup Revolution collection. This is the You Are Gold palette, and I'm going to be using this middle shade in here to bronze / contour. This is actually super pigmented, so don't sleep on this. Don't say I didn't tell you. This is so nice. Love this. Gives you such a nice natural finish. Patricia definitely killed this collection because there's also several of these for several different skin tones. So love this. Just to bronze up a little more, I'm going to use my CoverGirl bronzer just to lightly go over that and add a little bit more bronze. Just lightly. And for blush, I'm going to be using this other shade in here. I think this one's called number 3. I'm going to be using this to give myself a little color on the cheeks. Not that I need more, you know, just like a little bit. And this kind of goes with our eyeshadow colors, so this is gorgeous. And I'm not a big fan of the highlight color in here, so I'm not going to use that today to highlight. I'm going to go ahead and use my Artist Couture and Jackie Aina collection. I'm going to use LeBrons. I haven't used these in so long. I decided today's the day that I pop these bad boys out. I love LeBrons. I used to be obsessed with LeBrons. I'll sing it louder now. Keep it low. Just a little bit, because I am trying to keep this look semi-matte, not a lot of bronzer, because I want the lips to really be glossy and popping, because this Gucci gloss is supposed to be really nice, so hopefully you know, that's a thing. Okay, so the eyes are finally completed, and now I'm just going to go ahead and jump into our lip color. I'm going to lightly line my lips with this ColourPop lip liner from their collection with Shayla. I believe this one is BFF4. I really love their BFF colors as lip liners, so I'm just going to lightly do this just a little bit. I'm going to take this Morphe lipstick. This one is in the shade Commit. Really been liking this as a nude. So the final step is going to be adding this lip gloss. So this is the Gucci Eclat de Beauté. Okay, I could have said that better, but I'm playing around. This is their multi-use gel gloss, and according to the little pamphlet, they said you could add a new dimension to your makeup routine with the ultimate glowing finish. So you can literally use this on eyes, lips, and cheeks, and it adds subtle radiance to any face. So yeah, it says it can be worn alone to emphasize facial features or on top of makeup, providing a luminous effect with a reflective, dewy finish. So let's put her to the test. This is what she comes in. And then it's this really cute little packaging here. And voila, it's just clear gloss. Let me find like a lip. I don't want to like put my finger in it, you know, we're trying to be germ free around here. So I'm just gonna grab some with my lip brush and she is thick. Okay, so this is the end of today's face. I think it came out really, really well. I also think that I've mastered doing my face in less than 15 minutes. Like, I did full glam, and I think it took me like 15 minutes. So I'm really proud of myself. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's a basic one. It's pretty simple, and I think it came out really great. Let me know what you think down below. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Oh, and also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I've been having a lot of fun on Twitter, so you should really follow me on that. And I'll see you guys next time.